Just like any other Rolls-Royce car, the Cullinan also sets the bar for other high-end SUVs in all aspects, whether it be comfort, serenity, or overall ambience. Both the interior and the exterior follow the modern design language of Rolls-Royce, but it's the sheer grandeur of the Cullinan that sets it apart from its siblings and its rivals. The use of high-quality materials and handcrafted details on the interior and the exterior further add to the luxury of the Cullinan and allow it to carve out a unique space for itself in a world full of SUVs. Although the Cullinan is fitted with an endless list of features, some noteworthy features include a star headliner, custom dashboard inlays, and a set of 2 retractable picnic seats in the trunk that may not be as comfy as the main seats, but they do add a touch of sophistication. Available in 2 trim levels, the Cullinan has a base price of almost $350,000 that can be stretched endlessly by opting for a wide variety of custom modifications offered by Rolls-Royce.